Blowers, which add to the fryer's efficiency, perform their role poorly when they're choked with dirt. They should be removed and regularly cleaned. The blower housing and motor are held on with 4 nuts. There's one 2-pin electrical connection. Remove power from the fryer and unplug the blower's harness. Use a 7/16 socket on a 1/4-inch extension to remove the bolts attaching the blower to the plenum. Remove the blower. Mark the housing to ensure the blower motor is properly aligned when the pieces are reassembled. Remove the motor and fan assembly from the housing. Wrap the motor in plastic to protect it from cleaning solution and water. At a sink, spray the squirrel cage fan and the housing with degreaser. Clean and rinse both components. Thoroughly dry the fan components. Remove the protective plastic and reassemble the fan motor assembly. Realign the motor and fan housing using the mark made earlier. Reattach the fan to the housing. Reposition the fan. Tighten the 4 nuts securing the fan assembly. Plug the 2-pin harness together, restore power, and return the fryer to service.